Okay, chapter 13, last one for the semester, solutions. Stupid thing. Okay. I think most people understand that you shouldn't drink seawater, right? Not just because it tastes nasty and it's probably dirty, but it actually causes you to become more dehydrated than if you didn't drink anything. We call it a thirsty solution because as it goes through your body, it actually pulls water out of your body. It's like the water is thirsty, it wants more water. So seawater is a solution. And in chemistry, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solutions are composed of two parts, the solvent and the solute. And you can have more than one solute. The solvent is whatever there's the most of, generally. So in seawater, water is the solvent, and then sodium chloride is the main solute. That's a minor component. There's less sodium chloride than there is water by mass. Seawater, of course, also has other ionic compounds dissolved in it as well. Nature has a tendency towards spontaneous mixing. If you had a tank of water with a divider that was removable and you had salt water on one side and pure water on the other side, and you pulled this barrier out very carefully, what would happen eventually? They'd mix, right? You wouldn't have to stir it. If you wait long enough, it will mix and become uniform in concentration. That's a tendency of nature. If you drink seawater, this tendency towards mixing causes water to flow out of your body's cells and into the seawater. You could think of it as, nature's trying to make things equal. It's like, okay, I've got pure water over here and salt water over there. I don't like things to be different, so I'm going to move some of the water into the salt water to lower the concentration. So here's your intestinal tract. Inside your body's cells, there is some sodium chloride, but it's at a low concentration. You're drinking salt water from the ocean, it's a higher concentration. The membranes of your cells are semi-permeable, meaning they allow some things to pass and not others. Water is a very small molecule and it can pass through those cell walls. So it is drawn out into your intestines to dilute the salt water. The net effect is that you've lost water from your body. So any questions about that?